Welcome class 5 students. Welcome to another mathematics lesson. I am Shubha sir and this revision topic will be on the parts, place value, phase value and ordering of numbers. In our previous lesson we have discussed about the different forms, that is the Indian place value system and the international place value system. In this video, which you will be viewing on the 28th of August, is connected to the lesson plans you will be receiving on 26th and 28th. So therefore, let us start this lesson. In the previous class, we know that there is the place, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. We are aware of the place. Now, any number placed in any place will attain its place value. For example, let us consider a number 7324 9508. Say we consider the number 7324 9508. By the Indian place value system, according to the periods, this is how we place the commas inside the number. How do we represent it here? We write 7 3 2 4, 9, 5 and 0 and 8. So therefore, the place value of 7 in this number is 7 crores, or we write it like this. Place value of 7 equal to, we write the number 7 and then the zeros followed in all of the places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the place value of 7. Now what do we mean by the term phase value? You already know, but let us revise. Phase value is nothing but the value of the number itself. So therefore, what is the phase value of 7? The phase value of 7 is and forever will be 7, be it any number. So therefore, what is place value? Place value is the place where the number is present, that is in this case it is present in the crores place. So therefore, the place value of 7 is 7 crores. What is the phase value? Phase value of any number is itself. So therefore, the phase value of 7 is 7 itself. Okay? Next topic of our lesson is ordering of numbers. Now what do we mean by ordering of numbers? Ordering of numbers. Now before we go to ordering of numbers, we should discuss two important things. We have successor and predecessor. We have successor and predecessor. Now I know you already know what successors and predecessors are, but let us revise. What is a successor? We consider a number. The next number, that is, when we add 1 to that given number, what the number that we obtain is called the successor. And if we subtract 1, that is the one number just before that number, is called the predecessor. Let us consider an example. What will be an example? Let us consider this number 4287 29360. Say we consider this number 4287 29360. What will be the successor of this number? The successor of this number will be adding 1 to this. Upon adding 1, we get 4 2 8 7 2 9 3 6 1. Why? Because we are adding 1 to this number, so therefore we are getting 361. This is the successor. What happens if you want to get the predecessor? We subtract 1. When we subtract 1, we get 428729 This is the predecessor. So therefore, the upper number is the successor and the lower number will be predecessor. Understood? Alright. Now we come to ordering of numbers. What is ordering of numbers? Ordering of numbers is finding out which number is greater and which number is smaller. How do we do that? How do we do that? We have to consider the place values again. So you understand how important the place values are? We have to consider the place values again. So for example, let us consider which number is greater. 283 5690 or 4288 74128. Which is the greater number? What do? We first place the numbers in our place value system. So 0, 7, 9, 6, 5, 3, 8, 2. Then we place the next number. 8, 2, 1, 4, 7, 8, 8, 2 and another place is added 4. Now we can see that since another place is added in the second number, so obviously the second number will be greater. The second number will be greater. So therefore we use the greater than sign to write this number. So therefore 4288, how do we spell it out? 42 crores 88 lakhs 74,128 is greater than 2 crores 83 lakhs 56,970. That's it for today. Practice mathematics at home. Thank you. Best of luck for your exams. We meet again sure. Thank you.